Hey everybody, it's Lynnea back with another video, a quick video using some products from the May 2019 box from the Hedgehog Hollow. I'm going to be using mainly the Sophia Edges stamp set. And I'm going to start with a couple pieces of Bristol Smooth cardstock, and I'm using my Misty to make sure that I get everything lined up straight. I'm going to be using the fantastic little border stamps, and I think these are really unique because there are some plants and flowers in here that I've never seen before in stamps. So I was really drawn to these and I really loved the look of them, but they're a bit daunting for me to color. I am not good at coloring, so I decided to just white heat emboss a bunch of them. And so I did one. I plan to mask off the bottom and ink blend off the top. I stamped both of them so that I could have a white space in the middle. And then another one I had intended to mask off the top and ink blend the bottom, but I ended up flipping it around. You'll see what I mean in a bit here. So I stamped with Versamark and white heat embossed, and now I'm just going to grab a couple of my favorite colors of distress ink. I'm using the regular distress inks, but you could definitely use oxides or any inks that you prefer to blend with. I'm using peacock feathers on the bottom here, and then I'm going to go in with some fossilized amber in the top. And the key to my blending here on all three panels is to overlap your colors. You're gonna get mixing in the middle, which I happen to love. I got this great, almost like mowed lawn twisted citron-y color in the middle, but just go back and forth over them and you're gonna get a gorgeous blend, and they're gonna mix together and it'll be beautiful. So I'm using purple tape to mask off the section of my card that I don't want inked, and then I'm just buffing away the color off of that heat embossing, and that resist effect is awesome. I love seeing that white just pop off the card. So I did that first one, and now we're moving on to the one where I actually stamped both of the border images. So I'm masking off the bottom to start, and then I will ink blend the top. And here's where I actually mixed my distress inks quite by accident, but I liked the look of it. I'm using my regular distress ink peacock feathers on the bottom, and I accidentally grabbed my picked raspberry distress oxide ink, and that's what I'm blending on the top. And they're gonna create this beautiful purple color in the middle that I can't even really describe the effect that I got mixing the regular and the oxide inks, but you guys should definitely try it because it's kind of chalky, kind of not, I guess, but I really liked it. So, and I liked the blend that I got so much that when I originally planned to do this, I wanted to have those colors on the top, but I was gonna mix it up for the bottom, but I ended up just keeping that color blend and doing it just as it is. So it's the same colors on the top and the bottom. For this last one, I used some carved pumpkin as well as abandoned coral. And that was the one that I had planned to have the color on the bottom, but I didn't like how it looked. So I ended up flipping around. So I have two that are going to be color at the top instead of one at the top and one at the bottom. I'm choosing a sentiment now. And if you watched my last video, you know that I love the sentiments in the Sophia frame stamp set. The one that says "A Little Handmade Happiness" is my favorite. I love the font and the script. I think it's just super pretty. So I'm going to be stamping in black, and I'm using the Nuvo Hybrid ink pad from last month's box to stamp all the sentiments, doing it all the same way so that the sentiment is on the right side. And here you're going to see all three of my cards. They came together super quickly, but I love how the colors just really pack a punch. So if you want to see some still photos, you can head over to my blog or to the Hedgehog Hollow blog, and you'll be able to find product links there as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!